Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 3D modeling. Exercise number 10. First, select the new part. Then pick top plane for sketching. Now, select the center line command and draw a horizontal center line from the origin. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the 3D profile of the given part as given in the manual. As we are going to use Revolve as command, it is enough to draw the 2D of half of the given model. Then specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Once all dimensions are specified and the sketch is fully defined, in Features, select Revolved Bars and specify the axis of rotation at the center line. Now, select the face of the part for sketching and draw a circle using Circle command. Specify its dimension. Then, select the circle and make it as a construction geometry one. Now, exit the sketch and select Hole Wizard. Select the type of hole to be produced at the face of the part as per the manual. Specify the end conditions and the depth of the hole. Then, specify the position of the hole over the face of the part. After specifying position, select OK. That's it. Our 3D part is completed.